Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Lincoln L100 Concept, an all-electric, completely autonomous concept car that looks into the future, while honoring the brand's history. Unveiled as part of the Monterey Car Week, it will take part in the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance later this week, which is celebrating the brand's 100th birthday. Indeed, the automaker says that the concept was inspired by the 1922 Lincoln Model L, which was, at the time, a highly regarded engineering showpiece for the brand. Lincoln conceives its future as an elegant time, and this design has been imagined to convey that. A crystal greyhound acts as a hood ornament, though it's contained within the glass hood, as a nod to its 100-year-old forebear. The coupe body style, meanwhile, cuts through the air with its K-tail and its long, low proportions. The body is nearly seamless, too, because everything from the A-pillars back opens. With the doors spreading like a ladybug shell, and the roof popping up as well, the Model L100 concept is supposed to give a true sense of ceremony when you walk up to it. And that sense of pomp goes beyond the extravagant doors. Lincoln uses lighting cues to welcome the occupants in with an orchestrated symphony of lights, both inside and out. The lighting can also follow humans around the vehicle to curate an experience specifically to them. It's also useful, containing information about the battery's state of charge. Once inside, occupants are greeted by a vegan interior that is made up of warm, soft white seating materials, accented by amethyst recycled suede. The exterior color was achieved using metallic paint and a ceramic tri-coat with frosted acrylic accents in lieu of chrome. Spatially, the interior has been designed to take advantage of the concept's autonomous and electric technology. The vehicle is operated with a jewel-inspired chess piece controller instead of steering wheel or pedals. The seating, meanwhile, can be configured to have all seats facing forward or each other for a more social atmosphere. A simple folding front seat enables that transformation, while the flat, illuminated floor takes advantage of the lack of powertrain components cluttering the passenger cabin. Lincoln doesn't go into detail about the powertrain, but says that the Model L100 uses next-generation battery cell unpack technologies that will deliver game-changing energy density. It is treating the whole vehicle as a system, it says, by integrating the batteries into the structure of the vehicle, thereby enabling greater efficiency. Kamal Kurik, Lincoln Global Design Director, said this concept allowed them to design a new experience that is unburdened by past limitations and represents an evolution of their quiet flight tenets. The ultimate expression of our Model L100 design is one that moves effortlessly, a vehicle that appears to be sculpted by the wind, as if friction does not exist. A follow-up to the brand's Star Concept SUV, the Model L100 concept is the latest indication as to Lincoln's design intentions for its electric era. Promising several EVs on the road by 2025, the brand is working to take its next step into the future.